Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make fresh pho noodles. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need rice flour, tapioca starch, and water. Precision is key here, so measure carefully to ensure your noodles have that ideal chewy yet tender texture. Also, set up your steaming station and clear a large, flat area for rolling out the dough. This preparation makes the whole process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's mix our dough. In a bowl, whisk together your rice flour and tapioca starch. Slowly pour in the water, stirring continuously until you achieve a smooth, lump-free batter. It should have a consistency similar to thin pancake batter. Next, lightly grease a flat steaming tray. Pour a very thin, even layer of your batter onto the tray. Steam each sheet for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, or until it becomes translucent and firm. Once steamed, gently remove each sheet from the tray. Lightly brush the surface with a neutral oil to prevent sticking. This step is important for easy handling. Stack several oiled sheets. Using a sharp knife or a pizza cutter, slice the stack into long, thin noodles, typically about 1/4 inch wide. Finally, let your fresh noodles cool completely before gently separating them. They are now ready for your delicious pho. To keep your fresh pho noodles at their best, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. They will stay fresh for up to 3 days, perfect for enjoying over a few meals. If you've made a larger batch, you can freeze them in individual portions for up to 1 month. Just thaw them gently before use. And hey, for those looking to streamline their meal prep, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers, plus other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.